Hi all, welcome to new video of Horilla Development series. In this video, we are going to see how we can configure the group by option for our list view or the Horilla Nav view inside Horilla Nav view. So, come to the newly created shift request navbar. Here, I can provide the here I need to provide group by fields. Here, it will take a list then list of tuple items. Inside the tuple item, first will be the first item will be the uh, mapping with the field inside the shift request model. Okay, 1 second. Okay, first we can check with the employee ID if any employee having multiple shift requests, so it will each request will be displayed under a single employee. Then the label employee, then also group with the department. When you go to the employee model, and there's a work information model. Okay, yeah. Here is the work information model. So here we having department. So let's also check with the department. First we have to go to the employee. Then from here we have to go to the employee work info. It's the related name. It is on relation. Then from here I have to go to the department. Okay, the label will be department. Like this, you can add as many you want according to your requirements. Now let's save this. Okay. Also, then let's check it inside the localhost 5000. Now shift request now custom app. Okay. Let's restart the server first. Okay, it's not coming as expected. Okay, let's refer the other group by. Okay. Okay. So I have to provide the filter class first. 1 second. No. Okay, I remember it now. When you check the Horilla now and the group by fields and okay, then okay, we will reach here. Okay, we'll get the group by field inside the contacts. There is nothing blocking for this. Then also when you check on the navbar, search for group by field. Sorry, group by fields. Is there any common condition just above this? Okay, if filter body template. So we have to provide the filter body template, then only it will be visible. So let's create the filter body template for now. Just empty for now. We'll look into the filter body template configuration in the later video. Then inside our custom map template, create a new file. Sorry, is a different app or custom map. Shift request. Okay, here's custom map CBV templates. Let's create a filter template code.html. Maybe we can provide shift, custom shift. Okay, let's save this. Let's provide some dummy data over for here for now. Save this and provide the template name over here. Template name equals to yeah, custom. I copy this. Okay. Okay. Now let's save and restart and refresh. Okay, the template doesn't exist. Maybe it's because the extension is missing. Okay, it's not template name. It's filter. See again. Filter body template. Okay, so instead of filter body template, I just override the template. So that's why instead of our generic now, it's simply show the filter body. Now let's refresh. Still not visible over there. So let's check again the navbar. Horilla now. Maybe I'll group by speeds. If filter body template, let's debug what is happening. Okay, search URL. Just about that, there is a search URL. Like if we group by or search something inside the now, where the request should go. So we didn't provide that URL. So that's why the issue. This is also the same. If we first configure the search URL, then we have to configure the filter body. So we have missed the search URL configuration. So coming back to the our shift request navbar view, then inside that search URL, yeah, reverse lazy. Okay, when you check the output, here you can see it's a navbar. Under that, here we have the tab view, Horilla tab view. So when you search, the search need to be apply inside the tab view. So let's provide inside the reverse lazy as the tab view URL. So when you check the URLs, and here is the tab. Here is the tab URL name. So coming to shift request, here I need to provide this. Also, I need to provide the target. Search swap target. Maybe like I need to provide a hash because it's target. Then like I can provide shift tab. Now going to the Horilla tab view. Horilla tab view. Here I need to provide the view ID. So it is a unique ID for the tab view. It automatically generate unique. In some cases like this, you have to provide a manual ID. So to match with the navbar configuration. Now let's refresh. So here now you can see the navbar is visible near the search, the filter template. Okay, you can see that here's the template content and the group by field. See, inside here we can set up the group by. Also, you can add multiple uh, items like this inside the group by fields. Search for do by field. Yeah. When you check with the department, it's also work with the department. I think we have some issues over here. Department ID. Okay. So when you check the employee work information table, employee work information and department, you can see the department, the field name is department ID. Now refresh and choose this as department. So all of the employee in the same department. So I hope you this video is helpful. If you have any doubt, queries, you can ask it inside the comments. And thank you for watching.